Installing the Facebook Pixel on your Shopify store is crucial for tracking conversions and optimizing your ad campaigns. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a Facebook Pixel. If you haven't already, go to your Facebook Ads Manager, click on Events Manager and create a new pixel. Follow the setup instructions to generate your pixel code. Access Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to Online Store. From the Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Click on Themes. In the Online Store section, click Themes. Edit Code. In the Themes editor, click Actions and select Edit Code. Locate the header section. Find the theme.liquid or header.liquid file in the editor. This is where you will place the pixel code. Insert pixel code. Paste the Facebook pixel code you generated in step 1 just before the closing tag. Save the changes. Test the pixel. Use Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension or the Test Events feature in the Facebook Events Manager to confirm that the pixel is firing correctly on your website. Set up standard events. To track specific conversions, set up standard events like purchase, add to cart, or view content. You can do this using the Facebook Pixel settings or through the Shopify admin under Online Store Preferences. Create custom audiences. With the pixel tracking data, you can create custom audiences on Facebook based on user behavior on your site. Optimize ad campaigns. Use the data gathered by the pixel to optimize your Facebook ad campaigns for better targeting and improved ROI. Monitor performance. Continuously monitor your ad campaigns and the data from the pixel to refine your strategies and boost conversion rates.